morning, dear students. I am Ms. Navida Sheikh from Brahan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika MCGM virtual class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's session, we'll be learning something new and interesting from a science textbook. So let's get started.
Good morning, dear students. I am Mrs. Navida Sheikh from MCGM virtual class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's class, we'll be learning a very interesting chapter, that is social health. Now, we have already started with this chapter. We have uploaded a video on social health as to what is the meaning of social health, what are the factors which are responsible for having a good social health, and what are the factors which are affecting our social health. We have learned all this thing in our previous video, and that is in part 1. So if you haven't watched that part, please do go and watch that part so that you have a better understanding about this chapter, and it will help you to understand this part as well. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start and continue with this chapter, that is social health part 2. So last period also we have seen this picture in the previous class. I have explained you all about why it is important to go out and play. But nowadays it is very less it is seen that students go out and play. Instead of that, they tend to opt for playing inside the house in their laptops or in their phones, the various games that you have nowadays going on. Okay, and there are many games which have been banned because there was a huge amount of addiction that was seen and had a bad impact on the kids, and that is why they were banned as well. Okay, so because of excessive and unnecessary use of modern technology and communication media, it has become very sensitive issue because it is affecting our social health. Okay, persons spending the time with cell phones for several hours are usually unaware of the surrounding. If you are having your phones in your hand and if you're using it for a very long time, you do not understand कि आसपास क्या हो रहा है, हमारे आसपास के लोगों की लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. Are they happy? Are they depressed? Are they going through some struggle or like that? Okay, so is there any problem that is going in our country or in the world? So you should be aware of all that thing, and that could be done only once you leave your phones and limit it to a little time period only. Okay, you should give a particular time for your phone, and that's it. You should not stick to your telephones, or sorry, your cell phones, your mobile phones throughout the day and night. This is also a sort of addiction. Okay, remember this. अगर आप लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि बिना वजह के आप लोग अपना फोन हाथ में लेके बैठे हो या कुछ नहीं है करने को, तो भी हम लोग हमारा फोन लेके बैठे हैं, टाइम पास कर रहे हैं, that means you are addicted to this technology. Okay, and it is affecting you, or it will affect your social health. जिस तरीके से लास्ट पीरियड में हम लोग ने एडिक्शन के बारे में पढ़े थे, in that we have learned about only related to drugs, tobacco, and different types of alcohols, right? हम लोगों ने उसके बारे में पढ़े थे, addiction of that. But इसका भी addiction बहुत बुरा है, because living this and minimizing the use of it, it becomes very difficult for people who are addicted to the use of cell phones and playing games with that. Okay, so you should see that at this age, y'all are young, y'all can learn good habits easily, and y'all can quit bad habits also easily. So if you are addicted to the phones, you should see to it that you limit it. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल खराब होता है, फोन इस्तेमाल करना ही नहीं चाहिए. It is not like that. Everything has a boon and a curse to it, so you should see to it that you use it as a boon. Communication media and excessive use of modern technology, various physical problems like tiredness. Now, why do we say this? You should not see your phones more often. You should not use laptops so much. It is because it causes various problems like tiredness. आप लोग थके रहते हो, headache होता है, सर दुखता है, नींद नहीं आती है. ठीक है, आप लोगों को याद नहीं रहती है चीज. At this age, all are very young. There are many kids who tend to forget things. हम लोग ये रूम में जाते हैं, वो रूम में आते हैं, तो हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि हम लोग ये रूम में क्यों आए थे. Okay, now there are many students who often who complain about their joints pain at this age. Okay, joint pains usually grandparents को सुनाई देता था कि आपके दादा दादी लोग joint pains के बारे में complain करते हैं because of their age, but you all are very young to complain about joint pains. Now this is because of the harmful radiations coming from the cell phones, And sometimes many students have got glasses because of the problem in the vision, because you are continuously watching the screen which is very near to your eyesight, and that makes it very difficult for you all to see the things which are kept far away. Okay, so there are more serious effects as those radiation penetrating into the bones of children more effectively than the bones of adults, because it is very serious thing. Okay, you should remember this also कि हमारे जो फोन्स है उनके अंदर रेडिएशंस है, वो जो कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं एक दूसरे से, हम लोग जो बात कर रहे हैं, that is all because of radiations coming from one phone to the other. Okay, and those radiations are not good for your bones. Persons continuously using the computers and internet become solitary. They cannot establish harmonious relationship with families, with relatives and other members of the society. Habitually, they become self-centered and thereby they may develop problems like autism and selfishness. जो लोगों को फोन्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, दैट मीन्स उन लोगों को दूसरे लोगों से लेना देना नहीं होता. मोस्टली इट इज सीन दैट नाउ डेज. उन लोगों को आसपास लोग क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट दैट. दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज दे आर लुकिंग इनटू द फोन. They think that this is their life, and their life rotates only around that cell phone and the mobile phone, and that becomes very problematic for creating a good social health. Because अगर हम लोग फ़ोन पे ही ध्यान देते हैं तो हम लोग हमारे आसपास के लोगों को अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उन पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे. दैट मेक्स अस वेरी सेल्फिश अबाउट आवर सेल्फ. वी आर जस्ट बॉदर अबाउट आवर सेल्फ. वी बिकम सेल्फ सेंटर, मतलब हमें आसपास के लोगों के बारे में ध्यान देने की आदत नहीं होती, तो वी डो नॉट कंसिडर देम एज आवर फ्रेंड्स और वी डो नॉट टॉक टू देम. ठीक है, सब हमारे बारे में ही बात करेंगे, हमारे से ही बात करेंगे. इट बिकम्स लाइक दैट. So this is a very problematic situation that is nowadays people are facing because of the excessive use of media. Okay, they become less sensitive towards other chronic effects of such tendencies that they are not ready to help others in need, and hence they also do not get in need. Okay, now remember, अगर हम लोग किसी की हेल्प करेंगे तो ही सामने वाला हमारी हेल्प करता है. Remember this. It is always preferable that you should help others, talk to them, ask them if they have any problems. If you think that the problem could be solved by yourself, you should try to solve it. And if you think that others can help them, you should talk to others and try to help them out. But if you do not think that, if you are just talking about yourself and you just thinking that this is your life, nobody should interfere in your life, then that creates a problem to you. वाई डू आई से दिस? बिकॉज अगर हम लोग किसी से बात नहीं करते तो हमारे पास जब प्रॉब्लम्स आती है तो हमारे लिए भी कोई खड़े रहने वाला नहीं होता. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज वेरी डेंजरस. बिकॉज suppose if you are under depression or if you are under stress and if you do not have anybody to talk to, there are chances that people tend to suicide also because of that. Okay, so it is a very dangerous situation that is going on nowadays because of excessive use of media and modern technology. Many a times we have seen that the kids, mostly not only kids but you also, are using telephones and laptops while eating. You tend to dance, and you tend to surf the internet, and that is not a good thing because you do not know what you're eating, how much you're eating, and that causes obesity. And you do not tend to like food also, healthy food you do not like, because you are just in a hurry to eat it up and finish it off. Then there are people who take selfie on the road, which is very dangerous situation. There have been many accidents because of selfies taken on the road or on the hill stations. You must have read about so many news that are coming up कि hill station पे selfie लेते लेते कुछ लोग मर गए. Now that is because suppose hill stations है या फिर पानी की जगह है, they are very tricky places, scary places, because अगर हमारा पैर जरा सा भी आगे पीछे होता है तो there can be an accident. Okay, हम लोग बहुत नीचे गिर सकते हैं, पानी में गिर सकते हैं, and there will be no time for others to save us also. So it is very dangerous thing that you should avoid always. You must have also heard about a game that was there, that was Blue Whale game. Yes. Now there was a time where these kids used to play this game a lot, and there came a time where children started to suicide. They tried to hurt themselves because that game was made purposely to harm the kids. And you can imagine that excessive use of media क्यों मना किया जाता है. This is because at a very young age कि children do not have a particular idea कि ऐसा करने से ये हो सकता है. उन लोगों को बोला जाता था कि अगर आप लोगों को आगे का लेवल पार करना है तो you have to go and jump from the building. तो they used to do that because they did not understand कि अगर jump करेंगे तो मर जाएंगे और मरने के बाद कोई गेम आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकते. But they did not have that idea, and people are so bad nowadays on the media that they tend to make such games for such small kids. Okay. And there are many kids who did suicide because of that also. Actually it was not a suicide, but that was a game that they found very interesting and they had done that. Okay. There was a time where the kids were asked to make cut their hands and make a veil so that they could get extra points or they could play on another level. ओके सो दीज आर ऑल वेरी डेंजरस थिंग्स. देर आर, जैसे कि अच्छी चीज़ें होती है नेट से, वैसे ही ऐसी सारी चीज़ें भी हम लोगों को सुनने में मिलती है. एंड देर आर वेरियस कार्टून्स फिल्म दैट इमिटेट द कैरेक्टर्स. चिल्ड्रन टेंड टू इमिटेट लाइक स्पाइडरमैन, हल्क, राइट. आयरन मैन की तरह हम लोगों को बनना रहता है. चिल्ड्रंस लाइक टू प्ले दैट and they tend to have car races because they are watching it on the television, right? Yes or no? Even you must have done that when you all were small and young. Even now, when there are many students who must be having a good collection of all the Star Wars characters, all the Avengers that are there, right? So children who watch the cartoon films may imitate the characters of those films. Tendency and behavior of the children who play the games like virtual war and car races, specially deliberately brought about virtual accidents in games, gradually become negative. Some games are available on cell phones and computers, are extremely time consuming and causes economic losses. To lose concentration on some essential subjects and may also prove fatal. ठीक है, ये सारे जो गेम्स वगैरह होते हैं, जो वीडियोस देखते हो आप लोग, ये वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग एंड यू डू नॉट एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड ऑल्सो कि आप लोग इतना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो उसके पीछे. और उससे क्या होता है, हम लोग टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, हमारे पास कोई पर्टिकुलर हॉबी डेवलप नहीं हो रही है. Earlier people used to utilize that free time in developing certain hobbies like painting, dancing, and collecting some of the other stuffs like coins and making collections. That was the hobbies that people used to carry out during their free time, right? But nowadays you all are just wasting time, especially watching videos which are of no use. Okay, there are certain things which are good, but you have to understand the line between that. Along with some useful purpose, huge information available on internet is used for viewing some inappropriate videos too. Now I've talked about addiction. In that also I've talked about this point where people kids at your age, they get into watching certain videos which are inappropriate to be watched. And there are many government regulations which are come up, and they have banned those cartoons or those movies from the internet. Okay, so website, movies and cartoon films inappropriate for children are banned by the government, and you should see to it that these are certain things which are not good and they are not going to benefit you in any which ways. All right, so you should think about this. Next we talk about is cyber crime. Now जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बोला है कि अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं वैसे ही बुरी चीज़ें भी होती हैं. As communication and media is very good for our benefit, it is also causing various crimes. Now how it is causing various crimes, let us see that. We have seen about there are so many things like ATM machines. You have also heard about people robbing the ATM machines. They are making frauds from one account to the other, right? And all these are done by people using the media and communication facility that is there. Now remember that the message spread on the mobile phones do not disclose the Aadhaar card or PAN card, credit card number to the other person information if demanded by any person. हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं ना, न्यूज़ पे आता है, हमारे फोन्स पे भी आता है कि the bank does not any way, they do not ask for your pins of your mobile or of your credit card or your Aadhaar card or your PAN card. You should not share such important things on the phone. Okay, You should not disclose your PIN to anyone while withdrawing cash from ATM machine or purchasing through card Paytm. Consumers are deceived by showing superior items on websites but actually selling the items of either inferior quality or impaired ones. आप लोगों ने ये भी देखे होंगे ना कि हम लोग ऑर्डर जब करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ ऑर्डर करते हैं ऑनलाइन, और जब हमारे पास आता है प्रोडक्ट तो बड़ा हल्की क्वालिटी का होता है, कभी कभार गलत चीज़ भी भेज देते हैं. There was a case where a man had ordered iPhone and he had got pieces of rocks in the cover. Okay, so this fraud things are also done. Bank transactions are also done using PIN without the knowledge of consumers. So अगर आप लोगों का PIN किसी के पास शेयर किया गया है तो there is a chance that a person can remove the money from your account as well. Confidential information about government, institutes and companies is obtained from the internet with the help of computer programs or other ideas and misused. This is called as hacking of information. अगर हम लोगों को there are people who can hack the computers of other companies, of government institutes also. Remember that. इतने एडवांस लोग हैं कि हमारे कंप्यूटर्स को हैक करके हमारे कंप्यूटर के अंदर जो भी चीज़ है उसे निकाल के वो इंफॉर्मेशन यूज भी कर सकते हैं, and that is called as computer hacking. Nowadays, crimes like opening a fake account on Facebook and displaying false information and thereby teasing the girls or exploiting them financially. There are many guys who do this, who they open fake accounts on the Facebook or any other platforms that are there, and they display false information, and then they make use of those girls' pictures and they exploit them. They ask for money, they ask for so many different things, and that is very dangerous. Okay, so you should be careful by using the internet. There are various illegal sale on the written literature, software, photos, videos, music, etc. of others by obtaining from internet is called as piracy. You must have seen that people often download some certain types of movies or photos, videos, music, softwares from the internet. Okay, they do not purchase it, they just download it, and that is called as piracy. You must have seen that earlier it was very much it was going on that जो मूवी रिलीज हो रही है फ्राइडे को वो दूसरे ही दिन हम लोगों को टेलीविजन पे दिखाई देती थी. Now why was this? Because of piracy. लोग वहाँ जाके रिकॉर्ड करते थे and then they used to make it available on the internet and people used to download those movies and watch it. Okay, and that is called as piracy. Electronic media is also misused by sending derogatory messages, spreading vulgar images and inflammatory statements. I hope the statement is very clear कि किस तरीके से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया का गलत इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Exchange of information through media like email, Facebook and WhatsApp occurs very fast. हम लोगों को सबको पता है कि कितने fast information spread हो जाती है all across the group using emails, WhatsApp and Facebook. However, our personal information and phone numbers are automatically spread and thereby reaches the unwanted person within, which leads to various type of illegal activities or malpractice using those information. And remember, all of the above mentioned incidents are examples of cyber crime. Committing such crime is also a mental illness. Remember, ये सारी चीजें जो करते हैं ना वो किसी अच्छी चीज सोच के नहीं करते. किसी को नुकसान पहुंचाना अच्छा नहीं हो सकता. Always remember this. किसी के लिए बुरा करना हमेशा कभी भी कोई अच्छा इंसान नहीं करेगा. And that is a sign of mental illness. अगर उन लोगों को mentally कुछ problem है तो ही वो ये सारे काम करते हैं. Later, the criminal also must face the mental stress. A cybercrime unit has been newly launched in police department in our country. Cybercrime experts collect the details, investigate the cybercrime, and thereby they find the criminal with the help of the internet. जो भी ये सारा काम करता है, फ्रॉड करता है, उसे पकड़ने के लिए एक अलग डिपार्टमेंट है हमारी पुलिस के पास, and they ensure that किसी भी तरीके का साइबर क्राइम नहीं हो. And I would like to tell my students also that if you have been through any kind of cyber crime, अगर आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, so do not hesitate. You should go to the police and talk to them कि इस तरीके की गलत चीज़ हमारे साथ हुई है, किसी ने हमारा फोटो का गलत इस्तेमाल किया है या फिर हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन से कुछ पैसा निकाला गया है हमारे अकाउंट में से. Anything could happen. Okay, so you should remember this कि there are facilities, there are departments in our country to protect us. from such type of things. So remember this, if at all some certain things like this have happened in your life, or you should see to it that you go to the cybercrime unit and talk to them. Let us come to the very important part of the chapter, that is stress management. Nowadays, everybody is going through stress. Your parents, you yourself, your teachers, everybody around you are going under stress, and it is very important to manage that stress. ठीक है, stress is important. I'm not saying that stress is not good. स्ट्रेस रहता है तो इंसान और ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव हो जाता है और अच्छी तरीके से कोई चीज़ करने की कोशिश करता है। क्या हाँ, अभी आप लोगों को हम लोग बोलेंगे कि आपके एग्जाम्स एक महीने में, तो यू विल learn more and more things, right? You start to learn, and जो आप लोगों ने एक साल में नहीं याद करा होगा वो आप लोग एक महीने में कवर कर सकते हो, and that is a good kind of a stress. Okay, but stress में आकर कुछ गलत करना, ठीक है, स्ट्रेस में आकर अपना आपा खो देना, now that is what we are talking about in this part. Okay, stress management, that stress we have to manage. किस तरीके से वो स्ट्रेस को, वो काम को किस तरीके से हम लोगों को मैनेज करना है और किस तरीके से वो सिचुएशन में वर्कआउट करना है, दैट वी विल सी. You must have seen that there are people in the garden who are just laughing like that only. Now, why are they doing this? They are managing the stress in their body. Okay, now this is a very interesting thing that has been done by people. These people relieve their mental stress by laughing loudly. It is said that when you laugh, you release a hormone which is good to maintain your blood pressure. Okay, so if you are under stress, you should think of good things and try to smile and laugh aloud. If you do that, the stress that you're going through can be reduced to a certain extent, not completely gone, but to a certain extent it will be reduced. Various ways of expression, like establishing communication with friends. If you're under stress, you should see to it that you talk to your friends, your cousins, your teachers. See, always remember कि ये एज में पेरेंट्स के पास जाके बात करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कुछ बच्चों के लिए, okay? But always see that your parents are the ones who will understand you the most. If you think that they are not, if you have done something and if you think that they will not understand, then you should go to your teachers. Okay, there are certain favorite teachers of all the students I know. हम सब के पास एक favorite teacher होती है हमारे स्कूल में जिसके पास हम लोग आराम से जाके कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. And you should see to it that you go to a teacher if you're under stress, because the teachers are much elder to you and they know, they have been through such situations and they know how to handle that situation. Your friends might not be in that particular phase and they do not know how to handle that because they're of the same age. वो आप ही के एज के है ना, तो वो उसे हैंडल करना उन्हें भी नहीं आता होगा, बट आपके टीचर्स आप लोगों को सही तरीके से गाइड कर सकते हैं टू मोटिवेट यू एंड टू कम अप विद दैट स्ट्रेस फीलिंग. And more importantly, parents, noting down our feelings, expressing our feelings with near and dear ones help us to relieve the stress. Fostering the hobbies like material collection, photography, reading, cooking, sculpturing, drawing, rangoli, dancing, etc. helps us to properly utilize the free hours. By diverting the energy and mind towards the positive thinking, negative thoughts are automatically neutralized. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, कभी भी कोई चीज़ पे गुस्सा आता है, कुछ भी बुरी लगती है वो चीज़, वो जगह से हट जाना चाहिए हम लोगों को और ऐसा कुछ काम करना चाहिए जिसमें हम लोगों को अच्छा लगता है, सुकून मिलता है. एंड दैट कुड बी योर हॉबी. सम पीपल लाइक टू ड्रॉ, सम लाइक टू डांस, सम लाइक टू लिसन टू म्यूजिक. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ चीज़ अपसेट करती है तो आप लोग उसके लिए कुछ और चीज़ करो. यू ऑल कैन स्विच दैट प्लेस एंड go and do some other activity like painting and express yourself in that painting, and you will come to know कि हाँ, हम लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी तो इस तरीके की पेंटिंग हमने किए थे. फोटोग्राफी कर सकते हैं. if you have a good camera, if you have a camera in your phone, you should just, photography is an art. It is not just used for taking सेल्फी भी आप लोग जब लेते हो तो आप लोगों को पता होता है कि किस एंगल से लेना है, कैसी लाइट हो रही है तो हमारा चेहरा अच्छा लग रहा है. yes or no, that is also photography. बट फोटोग्राफी भी अलग अलग टाइप्स की होती है एंड दैट यू कैन लर्न एज अ हॉबी. ओके, सो इन दैट वे यू विल यूटिलाइज योर फ्री टाइम. अगर आप लोग का फ्री टाइम यूटिलाइज हो जाएगा तो आपके पास फ्री टाइम नहीं रहेगा जहां आप लोग गलत चीज़ें सोचोगे. ठीक है, तो आपका जो फ्री टाइम है वो अगर पॉजिटिव वे में utilize होता है, then there will be no stress and there will be no negative thoughts in your mind. Alright, so remember this. Learning and listening to the music, singing, keeps us happy and drives away the stress. Music has the power of changing the mindset. Importance of outdoor games is also unparalleled. If you're stressed, you should go out with your friends, play a particular game. When you play the game, आपके बॉडी में हॉर्मोन्स रिलीज होते हैं और उसकी वजह से you tend to become more happy and then you lose out the stress that you have. There are various benefits of sports like it causes physical exercise, improves discipline, interaction with people, and tendency of unity. Because when you play games, there are groups that you form, and you know that if you want your group to win, you will do anything for that group, right? So there is a sense of unity in that particular game also. Loneliness is driven away, and person becomes more social amongst yourself. ठीक है, आप लोग एक दूसरे के साथ में और सोशली अच्छी तरीके से बॉन्ड करने लगते हो. Apart from that, regular exercising, massaging, visiting the spa too also helps to relieve the stress. Yoga is not limited to for asanas and pranayamas, but it includes discipline, balanced and good food and meditation also. Deep breathing, yoga, sleep, yogasana, and all these things are good for your health. Meditation helps to improve the ability of concentration. It imparts positivity in our temperament. If you are calm, if your mind is calm, then there will be no stress. Okay. अगर आप लोगों को जब भी हमारा दिमाग ठीक नहीं होता है, okay, if you are not mentally stable, that time you lose your mind and you tend to make certain decisions which are not good and fight or do any kind of negative activity. So meditation is very helpful for students of your age to improve your concentrations in your studies. Deliberate inculcation of characters like time management, planning of your own duties and decision power. These are all important things to enhance your personality. Okay. So time management should be done properly at your age. You should learn how to manage your time. कितना टाइम क्या पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, ये टाइम पे कहाँ जाना है, कितने टाइम खेलना है, कितना टाइम मोबाइल यूज करना है. You should try at this age only. Okay, अगर ये एज में आप लोगों की एक हैबिट बन जाएगी, it can stay throughout your life, so you should think about it. So under stress management, we have all seen the ways to manage our stress. However, if those are not successful due to certain reason, it leads to some major problems like depression and frustration. Medical advices and counseling and psychotherapy are available for such person. Similarly, many NGOs also provide a helping hand. Let us see the information about some of those. First is Unified Movement Against Tobacco, Salam Mumbai Foundation. Government schemes are also there. Alright, so these are all things that we'll be learning. First is the Unified Movement Against Tobacco. Remember that this movement has been started by 45 different well-known organizations like WHO, Tata Trust, etc. This movement is active for controlling the tobacco consumption and providing guidance to activists against tobacco. Now remember, there are various camping where people guide others कि किस तरीके से tobacco is not good for your health, how the consumption of tobacco can lead to various types of problems, whether mentally, socially or emotionally or physically. ठीक है, फिजिकली तो प्रॉब्लम्स होने ही हैं, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट उसके अलावा भी कैसे कैसे प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं हमारी लाइफ में बिकॉज ऑफ द कंजम्पशन ऑफ टोबैको एंड हाउ कैन वी स्टॉप दैट. Now the next is Salam Mumbai Foundation. This organization runs program in various schools in Mumbai to empower the children living in slum areas in the field of education, sports, arts and business. This organization encourages the children to take education by helping them to improve their health and lifestyle. This trust has made some districts in Maharashtra completely tobacco free through hard work. Since the year 2002, their organization is working with various schools in urban and rural area for making the society tobacco This program is being implemented with the help of government in about 200 schools in Mumbai and 1,400 14,000 schools in the rest of Maharashtra. The oath of freedom from tobacco is taken in every school as per the government letter. Okay, so this is a very good thing started by the government in order to ban the use of tobacco in certain parts of our state, and they are really working hard and inculcating knowledge amongst the children of all the sectors of the community and society. Then you have the government schemes. Phone numbers, helpline numbers are published in newspapers to help the children in distress or facing any types of problem, like physically or emotionally. Children can contact the helpline to narrate their problems. Proper help and guidance are offered to the children. Now, these are two things that are there on the screen. First is Mano Darpan, that was launched on 21st of July 2020. It was a platform to provide psychological support to students, teachers, and families for mental health and emotional well being. And this is a number that is 112 or the number 1098. These are two numbers which are very important that you need to remember. At all India level, single emergency number like you have it in the United States, that is 911 for citizens to any kind of help and emergency like fire, ambulance, police, terrorist, women in problem, or any as such to list to get help in problematic situations. Okay, so these are such government schemes that have been started for our well-being and to deal with stress and any type of illness in our mental conditions. Okay, so I hope this much is clear.
If you like our session, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can share and view the videos that we had today for you. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you remain updated with all the latest videos that we'll be making for our dear students. This session was quite useful to you. In the next coming period, we'll learn something new and interesting. Till then, thank you.